Hey everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So we will be talking about a website. It's called Ibotta, where you will be earning, cash back. For example, if you are, purchasing something, so you will get a cash back around like 10%, 20% cash back for every, purchase that you make on the website here. So let's talk about it. So, first of all, what you have to do. There are four simple steps. What you have to do to download Ibotta, add offers, and submit your receipt, so that you can earn that cash back in a cash form. It's not that Amazon gift card or anything. Then you can withdraw earning, like withdraw when you reach $20. Like when you reach $20, you'll be earning that. So how it works basically, there were some websites where for example, you're getting booking something, for example, if I'm booking on the hotels.com, or I'm buying something on eBay or Priceline, and there are some websites, even the Walmart is included in this. I'm buying something from these websites, so definitely I will be getting the cashback on this the website. So there are some help centers as well. It's available on the app as well. There are around like 10 million downloads in it, which means it's great. And when I check the how valuable or reliable is this website to use, so there are like around 5 star include. So we will be checking some reviews over here. Misleading, okay, it's told the company is horrible. Like I see there are don't go for the horrible. Just check out there are like 56% of the people who like this website, like good app, good company, good payouts, redeem 1000 US dollar cash back, expecting, okay, downloading now, an awesome app, which means like we can trust this website. Like only 2 stars, only like 3%. You can go on, if you have the mobile phone, you can just go on, download it. On the gift cards as well, you get 30%, 20% of the cashback every time you buy something. Like there are lots of things over here. Here is an example. You're get spending $100, so you get $4 of the cashback on each, on the eBay 3% cashback. Here is an example, like eBay on 3% cashback, the Home Depot 6% cashback. I mean, it's amazing. For I haven't log in because I don't want to. You just have to go and log in, and you will be getting all those websites over here, which were written. There are other websites as well, where you will be getting access to. And if you are buying anything like t-shirt, cooking, or anything, so just have to go to the website and earn some money. And to subscribe my channel, guys, I will be giving you some new websites where you can earn some money at the cashback. Have a great day.